Hello CMA final students. This video is applicable for only those students who are writing group 3. Today's exam is over. Don't think much about it. It is already done. Now you have 1.5 day time to prepare for direct taxation exam. In this video, I will tell you how to prepare in the last minute for direct taxation exam to score the best marks day after tomorrow. Hardly I need 15 to 16 hours of your time. Okay, so today read for 4 to 5 hours, tomorrow read for 11 to 12 hours, sufficient. You can cover entire DT, whatever the important areas you can cover all of them, and you can write exam confidently. So what is the day before exam strategy? First priority you should give to transfer pricing. Easily 3 descriptive questions can be expected from transfer pricing. So first prepare transfer pricing. At least worst case 20 marks will come from only transfer pricing. That's why. Next, question number 2. It always comes from PGBP. Focus on how to solve PGBP problems. Okay. So go through the problems, go through the concept sufficient. And third, please prepare assessment of various entities. Question number 3A, 3B, most of the times it is coming from assessment of various entities. In that assessment of various entities also he is asking a question on 115 BAA, 115 BAB or MAT and AMT. So prepare these two concepts thoroughly. Next, prepare assessment procedures, fourth category. In assessment procedures, please don't think it is lengthy. You can write answers in simple English. Okay. So like survey, search and seizure is very important. One question is definitely expected from survey, search and seizure. And appeals and revisions are also important. It is small chapter. Please go through it. Next, prepare advanced tax and interest. One 7-mark question is coming from advanced tax and interest. Interest calculation relating to 234A, 234B and 234C is asked in the examination. Next, prepare non-resident taxation. In examination, question 4B always coming from NR taxation. Whatever the chapters that I am saying right now, from every chapter one question is coming in the examination. You cannot skip, you need to prepare. My marathons are available. If you want to watch, you can watch them. Next, DTAA. From DTAA also one 7 marks question will come. And last, business restructuring and reconstruction. Remaining chapters you can study, but don't skip these chapters. Whatever the chapters that are given here, you should definitely see and go to the examination. Don't skip them. And 2 hours before going to examination, go through MCQs. I have uploaded MCQs video because just before the examination, if you go through MCQs, you will remember, and the moment you enter into examination, start writing MCQs, immediately you will remember and you will write MCQs well in the examination. So these MCQs you need to do on the early morning of examination. DT examination is on 14th, right? 14th early morning, wake up and do the MCQs. Okay, so your subconscious mind will remember. The moment you go into the examination, immediately you will recollect the MCQ answers and you will write well. So this is the strategy. Prepare well. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.